So hi guys, good morning. And today I just received goodies from JN Cacao by. And you know, this guy specializes in chocolates, but today he's gonna make me taste something that he just created, some new invention called the cacao mango float. So we love chocolates and we love mango float. And we'll see if we will love the combination of two of our favorite sweets. Let's see. Once I soda ni. So that's our cacao guys. Mana itong cacao mango float. If you wanna contact them, it's JN Cacao in Instagram and Facebook. On Instagram and on Facebook, then we have JN Cacao 18 at gmail.com and 0936 711 3010. So mana ito ni tilawan. Nindot pagka-pack by, and I hope this would be delicious. Pero mas nindot ni i-freeze at nato for a while, then ato ni tilawan unya. So guys, muna I just put it in the freezer, then now it's hard enough. It's time to try out JN Cacao Mango Float. So muna, JN Cacao Cacao Mango Float. So muna, if you wanna learn again asa need to order, let me reiterate, it's JN Cacao on Instagram and Facebook. And muna ilang numbers guys, this is 0936-711-3010 manina. And karon nato nang tilawan, it's the taste test. Ano yang now? Alright, so muna na siya dark na Oreo, light na Oreo or crust. So atong tilawan ni dito sa in between sa mga kagahit na, but yes. Wow. Really good invention, really good dessert, perfect for the summer. Kay bugnaw siya, tamis. And mana, I want you to try it and let me know what you think. Ako nalingaw gid kay ko. And again, this deserves to be featured here in Kalami, Cebu. So mana, congratulations JN Cacao for creating something really awesome, especially for the summer. So sug din ang pag-order by, and mana, thank you so much for watching. And if you want me to feature something for, you know, kanang ninyo matilawan ako, let me know para akong antuon na o akong orderon o akong tilawan. So mana guys, see you inside and keep on supporting our local sellers, local restaurants, and mana, keep eating. Bye bye bye.